So he's come in.
No, he's come out.
He's not come out because he's still in the relationship.
So
wait, who said that they had broken up?
So there was a time when Vera was insinuating singlehood. So he's come out and he's like, "Apana, sisi bado tuko pamoja. I don't know what you guys are saying." He's saying it's just that he's chilling in the background.
You know who's in the same WhatsApp group as this guy? Ringtone. Me again, I'm waking up to see that Ringtone has a new music video out to do called Delete.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Have you seen how much?
Deleted. He is deleted from my socials.
Have you seen how much weight he's lost?
I don't know, bro.
You've not seen Ringtone is lost weight. Like Ringtone, Ruto, Itumbi. Same WhatsApp group.
Okay, unajua Chito. Ruto. It is my business to know how my president is doing. The leader of my nation. Itumbi, that is the president's business. Ringtone is none of my business. None of my business whatsoever. Especially when you're just here, Mara, has he been arrested?
Oh my God. Been arrested?
And then that guy is like, delete. You gotta delete. I'm just saying, bruh, I've deleted you.
But remember yesterday I told you. Remember I told you I'm like, Ringtone has done this before, and then he released
so
a music
irritated,
video.
Man. Fool me once, shame on. Fool me twice, shame on me. I'm not giving you a chance. So if today someone tells me, guys, have you seen what has happened to Ringtone? I'm legally blind.
You don't know.
I don't see nothing.
Right now though, here's a situation on your para.